Dear students, welcome back to the online classes. We are discussing with the unit arithmetic progression. Last class we have solved few exercise question. Today we will continue with the exercise. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. In the following APs, we should find out the missing boxes. The first question is 2 and the missing box and the 26. We should find out the second term. This is an AP. It is the first term, second term and the third term. We should find out second term using the given terms. Now the first term is what here? The first term is 2, that is A equals 2. The first term A, it is denoted by 2. So A equals 2, then A1, A2, A3. Given A3 as what? A3 equals 26. But we can write A3 as A plus 2D equals 26. So we know that A3 equals what? A plus 2D equals 26. I'll take this as equation 1. Now substitute the value of A equals 2 in this equation 1. Put A equals 2 in equation 1. What we get is, instead of A, I should substitute 2. So equation 1 becomes 2 plus 2D equals 26. Now we should find out D, so that I'll shift the second term to the RHS. Now 2D equals 26 minus 2. 2D equals 26 minus 2 is 24. D equals 24 divided by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We get 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 12s are. Therefore, D equals 12. So we got D as 12. Now we should find out the second term, that is the missing box, that is given by A2. So A2 equals what? A plus D. A2 is A plus D. Now A2 equals, what is the value of A? The value of A is 2. Then the value of D is 12. We get A2 as what? 14. Therefore, A2 equals 14. We have found out A2 as what? 14. The missing box is 14. It is the solution. Students, now the first term is missing. Second term they have given us 13. Also the third term is missing. And the fourth term is 3. Now using second term and fourth term, we should find out what? First and third term. Now the given data is what? Given A2, the second term as what? 13. Now I can express A2 as what? By using general form. A2 is what? A plus D, which is equal to 13. I'll consider this as equation 1. In the same way, A1, A2, A3, A4. Also they have given the fourth term as 3. What is A4? A4 is nothing but A plus 3D equals what? 3. I'll consider this as equation 2. Now we should find out the values of A and D. To find out first term and the third term, we have got two equations containing variables A and D. This is a linear equation in two variables. Now I should solve these two equations to get the value of A and D. Now what I'll do? I'll subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. What I'll get? A plus 3D equals 3 and A plus D equals 13. Now in the subtrahend, all the sign will get changed. A plus sign is there, it becomes minus. Plus is there, it becomes minus. plus 13 is there, it becomes minus 13. Now plus a minus a will cancel out. 3d minus d is, you get 2d equals 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Bigger number sign is minus, we get minus 10. Now 2d equals what? Minus 10. Now d equals what? Minus 10 divided by 2. D equals what? 2 1s are 2, 5s are, we get d as what? Minus 5. Now what I should do? I should find out the value of a. You can substitute the value of d equals minus 5 in equation 1 or equation 2. I'll substitute in equation 1. Put d equals minus 5 in 1. Now a plus d is what? Minus 5, plus into minus is minus 5 equals 13. Now a equals minus 5 shifted to RHS, it becomes plus 5, 13 plus 5, a equals 13 plus 5 is 18. Now we have got the value of a, that is 18. The first term is what here? It is 18. We have filled the first box as 18, that is first term. Second term is 13. Third term a3. By using general form, a3 is what? A plus 2d. What is the value of a? A is 18 plus 2 times the value of d. D is what? Minus 5. 18 plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, a3 equals 18 minus 10 is 8. Therefore, a3 is what? 8. Now, I will fill the box a3 as 8. Friends, now moving to third question. Given first term a equals 5, second term we should find out, third term we should find out, and given fourth term as 9, 1 by 2, which is in mixed fraction. Now, by using the given data, given the first term a as what? 5. A2 we should find out, A3 that is third term we should find out, and given A4 as what? 9, 1 by 2, which is in mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction, that is 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2, that is 19 by 2. Now what is A4? A4 I can written as A plus 3d. A4 can be written as A plus 3d. I'll consider this as equation 1. Now we have the value a equals 5. Substitute the value of a equals 5 in this equation 1. Now put a equals 5 in equation 1. Now instead of a, I should write what? 5 plus 3d equals 19 by 2. Since we should find out the value of d, shift plus 5 to RHS, it becomes minus 5. Now the next step is 3d equals 19 by 2 minus 5. Now 3d equals what? Now taking LCM, that is I'll write 5 as 5 by 1. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Now 19 ones are 19. 2 5s are 10 divided by 2 1s are 2. I'll get 3d equals 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. Now d equals, divide both the sides by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now I'll get 9 by 2 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 3s are. I got d as what? 3 divided by 2. Now the value of d is what? 3 divided by 2. Now I shall find out what? Second term and the third term. Now a2 is given as what? a2 equals a plus d. What is the value of a? It is 5. What is the value of d? It is 3 by 2. Again taking LCM, writing 5 as 5 by 1, LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Now what I get is 5 2s are 10, 1 3s are 3 divided by 2. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2. Therefore, A2 equals 13 by 2, which can be converted into mixed fraction. 13 by 2, 2 6 are 12, the remainder is 1. I can write it as quotient, remainder and dividend. That is 6 1 by 2. Now A2 is what? 6 1 by 2. Now I should find out the third term. What is the third term? A3 equals A plus 2 times D. What is A? A is 5 plus 2 times D is what? 3 divided by 2. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What we got is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Therefore, A3 equals what? 8. Now I'll fill the box. Second term as 6 1 by 2 and third term as 8. 6 1 by 2, then the third term is 8. Students, hopefully you have understood question number 1, 2 and 3. Based on those learnings and understanding, try these two questions, fourth and fifth question. Fourth question, they have given the data. First term as -4, second, third, fourth, fifth term you should find out, and the sixth term given as 6. A6, that is sixth term can be written as A plus 5D. Substitute the given value A equals -4, then you will get the value of D. Then you can easily find out second, third, fourth, fifth term. In the same way, for the fifth question, first term you should find out, second term they have given, third, fourth, fifth you should find out, and the sixth term they have given as -22. Using second term and the sixth term, find out the value of A and D. Using that, find out first, second, first, third, fourth and fifth. Try these questions. Students, moving to next question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? The given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and the last term, that is nth term, is 78. By using this given data, we should find out the value of n. Therefore, what is the given AP? So, the given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and the list will go on. By using this given AP, find out the value of A, D. That is what is A? That is first term, which is equal to 3. Then what is D? That is A2 minus A1, or difference of any two consecutive numbers. What is A2? That is 8 minus what is A1, which is equal to 3. So D equals what? 8 minus 3 is 5. Then what is the last term? The last term here is 78. Therefore, AN equals 78 or L equals 78. You can take L or AN as 78. We should find out the value of N. AN, D and A. We have the value of A equals 3, D equals 5 and AN equals 78. Using this data, we should find out the value of N. Using which formula? Using nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP is given by the formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value of AN, D and A. What is AN? Which is equal to 78. And what is the value of A? 3 plus what is the value of N? We should find out keeping as it is into D. What is the value of D? Which is 5. Now shift plus 3 to LHS, that is 78 minus 3, which is equal to the remaining term is N minus 1 into 5. Now what is 78 minus 3? 78 minus 3 is 75, which is equal to N minus 1 into 5. Now dividing both the sides by 5, I get 75 by 5, which is equal to N minus 1. 5 divided by 5 will cancel out. I get 75 by 5 equals N minus 1. Now 5 ones are 5, 15s are. Now the next step is 15 equals n minus 1. Now I should find out the value of n. Shift minus 1 to LHS. Now n equals what? 15 minus 1, after shifting it becomes plus 1. Therefore value of n equals 16. The 16th term is 78. That means n equals 16. Therefore the 16th term of the given AP is 78. This is the way you solve the problem. In the same way, here you can do it in different way. Here we can multiply 5 into n is 5n. 78 equals 3 plus 5 into n is 5n. Then 5 ones are 5, plus into minus is minus 5. Now 3 plus minus 5 is minus 2. 78 equals minus 2 plus 5n. In the same way, you can do this, you can proceed with the steps. Now, minus 2, shift to LHS, that is 78 plus 2, which is equal to 5n. Now, 78 plus 2 is 80, which is equal to 5n. Divide both the sides by 5. Now, n equals 80 by 5 is 16. You get the same answer. You can do in two methods. Students, now moving to next question. Find the number of terms in the following APs. The first question is 7, 13, 19 and the last term is 205. We should find out the value of n. In the same way, for the given AP 18, 15, 1 by 2, then 13 and the last term is minus 47. You should find out the value of n. It is same as previous question, where a equals 7, d is what? A2 minus a1, that is 13 minus 7 is 6, an equals 205. In the same way, a is what? 18, d equals a2 minus a1, that is 15, 1 by 2, which can be converted into improper fraction, that is 2 15s are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 divided by 2 minus 18, you get the value of d. In the same way, you can find out the value of n. Based on the understanding of fifth question, try to solve the question sixth, that is a and b, by finding the value of n. Try this question by yourself. Students, hopefully you have enjoyed and understood the class. Until the next video, try to practice all these questions by yourself. Thank you again for watching. If you find my videos are useful, subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you again.